So yesterday we learned about variables. Variables are named storage locations like a container storing something in it. So today we will be learning about data types. Data types in Python are definition of which type of value you are working with. It can be also said that data types define the type of variable also. So if we have to look at the example here, we have num and a name variable. For num, we have assigned a value of 100, which is a numeric value. It can be any number and the variable can also change as you know from the yesterday video. So it can not just 100, it can be 10, it can be 120, it can be 500,000 or any number. And a name equal to, we have written in double quotation, Naruto. So a name, this name, this data type is a string. If I have to explain it to you in simple words, can be a word, but it would be a wrong meaning because words have meaning. A string may or may not have meaning. So the better definition for the string is a sequence of characters. So we will study this each of these data types in details, but let's go and brief on them. So first we have numeric type, and we have few branches of it. First we have integer, which can integer, as we have learned in 5th grade math, that integer can be a negative value, positive value, and it's zero. Complex numbers are complex numbers. Float is a fractional value, a decimal point value. A dictionary contains a key value pair. If I have to explain to you what a key value pair may look like, 1 equal to apple, 2 equal to ball, 3 equal to cat, 4 equal to dog. So in this example, 1 is a key, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are keys, and the words which I said, apple, ball, cat, and dog, these are values. So its dictionary stores such values. Next is a Boolean type. Boolean type simply stores a true or a false value. And we have set. Set contains a list of multiple items. It is similar to a set we have in maths. And there is a sequence type. As I earlier said, string is a sequence of characters. And we have list, we have tuple, which we will study more. So these two are bit similar, but they have their own differences. So we will study about them in a dedicated video, which will be coming up next. So let's write few examples on these data types. So we have a file named called data types with a .py file extension, which is a extension for Python files, similar to the .txt files for text files and doc, Excel, and PPT. So we will write a simple program to understand our data types more practically. So let's clear this terminal and let's start writing the program. So we first I will declare a num with a value of, let's say, 100, and I will have a name with a value of Naruto. You might say, oh, you are taking the same examples as you there were in PPT. So the others may not work. No, it's not like that. I'm using this because that's what all I can think of now. So I said about few more values like a boolean, let's say tf. Now the tf, we can set it to true, or we can say ft equal to false. So now let's declare a dictionary called dict1. Don't pronounce it wrong way, I'm not responsible for that. Flower brackets, key, what we should call the keys. It's a problem to think of names every time. So we can call a name, give it a colon, give it a name. So it's Naruto, let's do Sasuke. Semicolons, no semicolons, it's Python, so I'm sorry. So let's declare a list. Let's call list a list and not confuse it. So list one. So list will have square brackets. These are mutable values, means they can be changed further into the programs. The others, which are tuples, are immutable. So if a list looks like this, a tuple, which we will say tuple 1, will look like, so I will be going deep into these topics when I'm explaining the specific topic on this. For now, I think this is enough. So I will declare a few more num values. Let's say num1 equal to 1.45. I don't want to go into complex numbers because I have forgotten what complex numbers are, and I don't want to remember those dark times. Let's say print round braces, no quotations. Let's print num, and print num1, print name, print tf, print ft, sorry, print ft, print dict1, print list1, print tuple1. I hope this runs fine. I don't know if, okay. As you can see, we have our number 100, we have 1.45, we have Naruto, we have true, we have false, we have a dictionary which has a key of name and a value of Sasuke, we have list. A list will be visually shown like this. This is a tuple, we have them all. So yesterday in this program I told you about the type function. So let's see what types these are, what the interpreter tells about them. So this trick works in VS Code. You just have to press Alt and place the cursor and click wherever you want. So we'll write type brackets bracket. Sorry. Oh, I messed up. Sorry. I hope. Okay. I just have to put the braces, round braces, because slackers always get their way out. So as you can see, we have our data types here. So first one, num100 is a int, 1.45 is a float, as I said, decimal or fractional value. Naruto is a stir meaning string. Don't confuse it. Don't say I'm wrong. TF is bool, FT is bool, dict1 is a dictionary, which is dict, list1 is a list, tuple1 is a tuple. So as you can see, we have, so these are data types in Python. So next I will be explaining operators maybe. So let's meet in the next video.